Hello ladies and gentlemen, in today's video I would like to show you a PowerPoint animation that I have created for Jazza's PowerPoint Animator Challenge. So let's check it out. Rise and shine everybody, it's 7 AM in the morning and it's time to start your beautiful day. Year 2577, the 5th of December, weather temperature plus 25 degrees. Alright, let's check notifications. Good morning, Jack. Your today's tasks: workout, shower, breakfast, and Nexus 3000 update. Nexus 3000 update? Oh my god, I was waiting for this all my life. Let's go. Workout. Completed. Shower. Completed. Breakfast. Completed. Finally, I can connect to Nexus, my favorite VR system. And today we have a big update, Nexus 3000. I'm wondering what do they have created for us this time. Welcome to Nexus 3000, our biggest update ever. I guess all of this was just a dream. Let's get back to normal life. Or was it just a dream? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have enjoyed this animation, and let me show you that all of this was created in PowerPoint. So here in the selection pane we can see all of the elements that exist on the slide. You can click on the eyeball icon to hide or show any of the elements. All of these elements were hand-drawn by me in PowerPoint, so it took some time. You can manipulate these objects, rotate them. As you can see, here we have this bed shield that rotates. Here we have this bed sheet, and here we have our character, our hero Jack, who lives in the future. At least he thinks he lives in the future. No one really knows. And all of these objects are customizable. You can increase the size and so on. So let me just hit undo a couple of times so that I don't destroy this presentation. Alright, so let's continue. So in total we have 24 slides, so thanks to morph transition I could speed up the animation process, because with the morph transition you can create animations much more easy. And I have used some traditional animations as well. And for this running cycle, I have created a frame-by-frame animation in a separate PowerPoint file, and then I have exported this presentation as a GIF and then inserted it back to the main presentation. For the swimming, I have used some looping animations. For the breakfast, as well some looping animations. As you can see, we have a bunch of elements in the selection pane, and here we have a couple of slides for the VR scene, which is animated with the help of morph transition as well. Alright. Nexus 3000 update. And here we have our last slide, which brings Jack to the present, and he really doesn't know, is it present or is it the new update? By the way, I have created a storyboard. I have hand-drawn all of the scenes before starting the animation, and it really helped me to create all of this animation. So it was really fun challenge. PowerPoint Animator, thank you Jazza for creating first of all a video about PowerPoint. You have shared your experience that PowerPoint was the first tool for you to create animations. For me it was as well the first tool to create animations, and it still is. I really love PowerPoint. So everyone, thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you on my next video.